be true? Udeze, my husband's brother, has a hand in my late husband's death.
Wow. Udeze.
Oh?
This is so fresh. Good. Where did you get it from?
You want to know?
Of course. Wow.
I got it from Amake. There's this popular palm wine tapper there. He's the best in town.
I can see.
Yes.
This is great. Please, you get me some tomorrow.
Tomorrow? No. It will not be available tomorrow. Unless next tomorrow.
Yes. Next tomorrow? It's okay.
Tomorrow is okay. Next tomorrow.
It's okay. No problem.
Hey, how you doing?
Mama, Foma.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay,
I'm fine, sir.
yes. As you can see, we are enjoying ourselves.
I can see.
Mama. No, Foma. Just have a taste of this.
Nine. You know I don't drink palm wine.
I know.
This one is chichi.
Taste it, just a little. You will like it. Just take it.
Okay.
Do you like it? Oh.
This is good though.
I did not ask you to finish it.
And I allow me to take.
You cannot go. You cannot go. Go.
Allow her now.
Allow her? How?
To take more now.
Don't you know that this is strong for her as a woman? What are you saying?
If she take it, she will better.
Now you Daisy, don't mind your brother. Don't mind him. Were you not the one that asked me to sip it in the first place?
I said you should test it. I did not say you should take over. I hope you are not planning to betray me.
No. We are the same.
Are you sure?
One group.
You dare. Let's drink it. This drink is special indeed. Oh, I'm enjoying it. Yes, very good, very sweet. I like it. You will bring more for me. Oh, yes, my wife. You are back, eh?
Nine.
Hey.
How are you doing?
Fine.
You're enjoying yourself.
Oh, yes.
I saw your brother there. He told me that he was here.
Yes. He brought this drink. As we agreed the last time he came here.
Okay. I hope you will not ask me to come and have a taste of it again. Because I'm not interested in it.
My lovely wife. It's like you know. I'm not even ready to ask you to join me. Because this one is very, very strong. Stronger than the previous one.
Eh?
Oh, yes.
Now you were not gonna fortune. You didn't eat food though, and you are taking all this.
My wife, don't bother yourself about me. Go and prepare food for me to eat. After this, I will pounce on it and eat it well.
I hope Afoma is around.
Afoma, she is not around. She went to the parish house with her friend, Kamsi.
Like I said before, mind how you take this, you know. You have not eaten, so don't take it much.
My lovely wife, don't just butter yourself like I said about me.
You so much love palm wine.
I've had my lovely wife. I'll be fine. Let's go and cook for me.
Hey,
Mrs. Gloria.
No, you call your friend. No, you trust so much. There are wolves in sheep clothing, pretending to be your friend. No, you call your friend. No, you trust so much. There are wolves in sheep clothing, pretending
Former. Mama Former. Mama Former.
Nine.
Get me water to drink. I don't know what is happening to me. Get me water.
Okay.
Get me water.
Nine. Nine, hold on, I'm coming. Mama, it's like your uncle Deze has a hand in the information he can have received.
Mama, Biko, don't spoil my mood this afternoon. I'm in a very good mood. In fact, I have good news for you. He called.
Who?
Ikenna called. He asked me to apologize on his behalf. He said the information he got was wrong.
Ikenna called you?
Mama, he called me.
Hey! Thunder fire devil.
Amen.
Thunder people devil.
Amen, Mama.
Hey!
Yes, Mama.
Oh! Chiba
Amaka, Mama.
My enemies will never rejoice over me.
Amen.
It's not possible.
Amen, Mama. Hey. He said I should come to the city tomorrow.
Eh?
Yahweh Chichi.
Move what?
Mama, moving.
Osaraku. Osaragoku.
Osaragoku.
Yeah. You are going to the city.
Mama, my bag is packed already.
Oh.
I'm going to the city, Mama.
The beautiful gate the God opened for you. No idiot. No useless witch or wizard can close
Mama,
it.
Buri, yeah.
Yeah. Come back your bag.
Mama, I'm going to pack my bag. I need to go and wash some clothes so that I can neatly fold my clothes this evening and get ready for my journey tomorrow.
Wash. I hope you informed Kansi.
Mama, she was there when he called me.
Yes, because Jebe, go and pack your things. Thunder fire devil and his agents. Thunder pieces devil and his agents. Nonsense. And a jindala. Chim dancer. Chuku dancer. Onam.
No, you call your friend. No, you trust so much. There are wolves in sheep clothing, pretending to be your friend. No, you call your friend. No, you trust so much. There are wolves in sheep clothing, pretending to be your friend. No, you call your friend. No, you trust so much. There are wolves in sheep clothing, pretending to be your friend. No, you call your friend. No, you trust so much. There are wolves in sheep clothing, pretending to be your friend. You give them your heart, they break it. If you trust them at last, they betray you, causing you so much pains and misery. Be careful with such a friend. You give them your heart, they break it up.
I can't remember exactly what you're talking about. Also, have you forgotten so soon? Her friend's name is her former. That girl. That other girl now. That fine one.
Okay. I remember. I remember that other girl now. We got now. What's that name again?
Kamsi.
Correct. Kamsi.
That time, Kamsi. Yo.
What about her? What about her now?
Well, I saw her a few days ago. Yeah. You know it has been long now.
Yes, I know you broke up with her now before you left for your studies.
Nah, also. If you see this girl now, hey! My eyes couldn't believe what I saw. Man, she's so beautiful. I don't believe she can be this beautiful. Oh.
Hey. So are you now regretting why I broke up with her? It's not your fault now.
Also, why are you talking like this now? You know what happened now? You know what transpired? That girl almost put me for trouble now.
I know everything. I know everything, my brother. So what are you trying to say now?
You know, considering the fact that she's this beautiful now, I want to get back to her. Also, it's not a laughing. Guy, calm down. This is why you laugh like this now. I want her back. She's my babe. It's not a laughing matter.
How do you think it's possible that?
Why won't it be possible? It's my girl we are talking about.
After you made that pass through.
You see, also, you see Kamsi, it's mine. Mine she is. If not for the trouble she, tried to put me in, now, I love that girl. I want her back and I must find a way to link up with her. We can always sort things out now. She's my babe.
Sort things out.
Huh?
Sort things out.
Of course, we can sort things out. Trust me now. You don't trust me again. Now me. Man.
Good luck. Good luck. I got the head. I go for this course. I wish you good luck, my brother.
Why you no go wish me good luck?
I wish you good luck.
I beg.
I'm waiting to hear the score. So
why you no go hear? I go just to see guy when it happen. You sir. I go give you gist. Na me be the Benjist. Benjist.
I beg. Go now, no you my guy. No you.
Papi Ikenna, I'm worried. It's getting to evening. Ikenna's visitor has not yet arrived.
I don't know what is delaying her. Ikenna called that she has boarded Keke coming to this place. I don't know why she's not here.
Could that be traffic or what?
Traffic since when? For how long?
Beginning to be worried. Ikenna.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Is she here?
We've not seen anybody. That's what we are saying here now.
Yeah, we were just talking about that before you came in. What do you mean she's not here?
She hasn't come.
What is going on?
I don't know.
What is it? Number you have called is switched off.
Huh?
Switched off?
Switched off?
What's going on?
Why? Ikenna come. Ikenna, where are you going? Ikenna, come back here.
What is all this?
Ikenna, calm down.
How? No, Uche, how? How do you want me to begin to calm down? Uche, it's getting late. It's getting dark. How?
Okay, fine. Ikenna, I understand how you feel. But are you sure you heard her well the very last time you spoke with her?
What are you talking about now? What do you mean?
Okay, fine. What I'm trying to say is that maybe she's still in the village.
I could hear her loud and clear when she got on the tricycle. She said, sweetheart, we're coming back. And my friend were on our way. And that was the last time I heard. I can't reach her.
Okay, fine. Just calm down. Can you call her again?
Uche, Have you been listening to me? I have been calling now. Her number is switched off. What do you mean call her again?
I understand.
No, you don't. Now you're asking me the same question all over again. Stop now.
Putu, you probably made a mistake while trying to call her. Maybe. Just try again. Just one more time. Try. Still switched off.
She didn't even care to call me to inform me that her journey was okay or not. Of course, it's amazing.
Mama, good morning.
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
Your father?
Where is that mama?
She's sorry, Mama, let me quickly take this call. Hello? Yes? What? Yeah. I can hear you. Oh, sure. Right away. Yes. Uche, now we have to leave right away.
Please, what of her former? Since yesterday she traveled to the city, her phone has been switched off.
Yes. She's having battery issues with her phone. But I'll let her know that she has to call you immediately. I'll tell her.
She actually came to your place.
Yes, she's fine, Mama. You see, I was just, going to see someone down the road. I told Uche, let's quickly stop and see Mama. Man, okay, man.
You'll be mad at
it would be somehow if I come here without coming to you.
Hey,
something, please.
Nah.
Take this and buy something for yourself.
God bless you.
God bless you too, Mama.
Thank you very much.
Mama, but we have to go now.
Okay.
I will call you.
It's okay.
Save Johnny. Tell her to come immediately.
Ada!
Bye, take it easy.
Hey, Obi ada to kwana no. Say money. Oga maka. Una gi ga gogo. Ogogo. I ga gogo. You are my in-law. You aside the go market good.
Ikenna, what is it?
Did Ikenna tell you where he was going to this early morning?
No, he left early with his friend.
Hi. Papi Ikenna, do you know that Ikenna didn't sleep last night? He was so restless. And this morning he just left without telling anybody where he was going to.
Is that what is bothering you?
Yes, now.
Let's wait till he comes back. When he comes back, we know where he went to. Stop bothering yourself.
Papi Ikenna, I disagree with you. Please, you have to call him. Call him, let's know about his whereabouts. Biko.
Go get my phone then.
Okay, let me bring it.
What happened?
Have you not heard?
Heard what?
Kamsi and her friend are missing.
What sort of a joke is that also? I don't get it.
It's not a joke. The news is everywhere now.
How? I mean, how did it happen? Like, how did it happen also?
They visited their boyfriend at the city. According to the story, they missed their way. Until now, they could not be found.
So, I want to get you right. They visited their boyfriends at the city and they are not yet back till now. Then, their boyfriends should be arrested now, of course.
My brother, your thought is as good as mine.
Why is all these things happening now? I want Kamsi back in my life. Why?
Are you sure they are not falling into the hands of the ritualist?
Wow, ritualist, okay? God forbid should anything happen to Kamsi.
You know, strange things happen now in the city. You know, all these dirty stories, Yahoo Plus and
enough. I know, but nothing will happen to Kamsi. I'm just about to declare my interest on her. Why will you be saying this? Come on. See, Uzo, nothing will happen to Kamsi, okay? Nothing will happen to Kamsi. God forbid anything should happen to Kamsi. Because if mistakenly it has to happen this way, I must follow this matter to the root.
Brother, it's okay. Everything will be fine.
He's not picking.
Who did he say he is?
He didn't say.
He can have told you. Let us report this matter to the police.
Oh no, come on now. You can't say that. Now we can't get the police involved. We don't even know who we're dealing with. We just can't get the police involved.
Ikenna, these girls' lives are in danger. The earlier we decide what to do, the better for us.
But why would this guy tell me to call him back if he knows he's not going to pick my call?
Try again, he might pick.
That's what I'm...
Ikenna.
I'm coming to your house. Same with me, my sister. I have not heard from my daughter. I said, let me come and see you.
Are you saying Afoma has not called you since yesterday?
She has not. In fact, her phone is switched off.
Hey. I'm suspecting something. Oh.
What?
Our daughters have not gotten to the city. Eh? That was why Ikenna came yesterday, to make sure Afoma and Kamsi left village for the city.
Chekwe, are you saying that our daughters are missing?
Hi. I have been having this feeling since yesterday.
No, now. Ma Kamsi, this cannot be true. My daughter cannot be missing. My daughter cannot be missing.
I suggest we go to the parish house and see the parish priest about this. Okay, let's go.
No, my daughter cannot be. No, my daughter cannot be missing.
Where do I start now? Where do I start from to look for my child? Where do I start from to look for her?
Mama Afoma, calm down. Nothing will happen to your daughter. Oh? You know?
She's my only child. How can she just vanish like that?
But I blame you. I blame you. I blame you so much.
Nai, why should you blame me?
Why must you allow Afoma to embark on such dangerous journey? Just because a man proposed marriage on her, you allow her to take such risk? Huh?
Nai, are you mocking me? Are you here to mock me?
How can I come here to mock you? I'm telling you the truth. And nothing but the truth. I know you will not like what I just said, because truth is bitter.
It's okay, I've heard you. You can go now.
I can go now.
I said you can go now.
That is, maybe are you trying to chase me out of my brother's house?
Anything you call it, just go.
Yeah.
Nine, I beg.
I
Yes.
have a house, but
yes.
The truth is bitter.
Now begging.
Oh, there, man.
Wicked man. My daughter is missing, and all you could do is to come here and blame me.
nothing, sir.
Thank you so much.
No
Thank
problem,
you.
No problem.
Thank
I'm
you.
a taxi driver.
Where did you find them?
So as I was driving along the airport road, you know that lonely bush area?
Yeah,
Yes, sir. So I saw them stranded. I decided to pick them up.
It is fine. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you for calling me.
No problem.
I have your number now, so I'll always call you too.
Yes, sir.
I really appreciate it.
It's nothing. It's
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, just take care of yourself.
Oh, thank you.
Called you now. Immediately they got back to the house, I called you, but your phone was switched off.
Honestly, I didn't know my phone was switched off. Until this morning when I brought it out, I wanted to call you and I discovered it was switched off.
Uche, I have never been this worried all my life. What would I have done?
Tell me, what exactly happened?
Okay, well, Afama told me that, the tricycle that they had boarded, 3 armed men jumped down from a bus and attacked them. Of course, shot the driver down immediately on the spot and of course took them into the bus. And then they drove long distance into some unknown forest, tied them up and kept them there.
Are you telling me the truth?
I'm telling you the truth. They couldn't talk till this morning. Uche, as far as I'm concerned, this is nothing short of a miracle from God. I mean, how else do we begin to explain the escape? How?
Tell me, how did it happen?
Afama told me that, from where they were tied, they could see that the abductors were having, fights amongst themselves, like, infighting. And the fight got heated up and no one was paying attention to them. So they took the initiative and ran off. Ran through the forest and hit the major road and saw somebody that helped them.
Oh. God was really on their side.
This was what my mom said. But what would I have done without Afama?
You know what, Ike? This calls for celebration.
Thanks, man. Oh yeah, you know what? Let me go in there, change up, follow to the house, and you know what I like to drink.
I know, just change.
I'm coming.
To come in when you get to the city. Oh.
I will.
Remember to call me for
I must call you.
And remember, do not relax. So remember what we discussed last night. I'm just because my he gave me a bamboo because do not relax. This childless condition is giving me problems.
Mama, you worry too much. I will. My husband is not even bothered about this whole thing. I don't know why you're bothered.
I am bothered. I am very bothered. I'm worried. See, my mama is about to have a grandchildren. And then no more. You go?
I will. But just have it in mind that God's time is the best.
God's time, and I have a mother who will help ourselves.
So, Mama, take care of yourself.
No, I will. Oh.
Let me go before it gets dark.
Johnny messes. Oh.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Be taking your drugs.
Hey! Please, God, answer my prayer because Afama is about to have her third child now. And she got married the same year with my own daughter. Hey, God, because Zana, hear my prayers because.
You're welcome. Yeah, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, sir. Madam, welcome. Small madam, welcome. Small guy, welcome. Una welcome. Thank you. Thank you, madam. Small madam. Honey, what is the matter?
There's no problems. I am fine. I am good.
You look worried.
I am okay. Are you going out?
Yeah, sure. Ikenna called me. He asked me to come and accompany him to somewhere.
But you just came back from the shop. Must you go? You need rest.
Honey, no. I'll be back in a jiffy. Hmm?
You must go?
Sure.
Okay. My regards to him and his family.
They will hear, okay?
Alright.
Take care.
My husband has been so nice to me. This is the 4th year of our marriage, and he has been nice till date. God, please. God, see me through. He has been treating me like a queen since I married him 4 years ago. God, why have you left me in this condition? My joy is not complete.
So you agree, eh? It's a great site.
Honestly, perfect one.
Yeah.
Good one. You have an eye for good things.
You are saying?
I say you have an eye for good things.
Ah, thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
And in no distant time, development will get to this point.
Of course, look around you, man. It has started. I mean, that's the major road already. And, you know, people have started erecting structures, you know, all the way.
Oh, it's a good one.
The road is already fixed. So that explains why the land is pricey, you know.
Oh.
When I saw it, I just had you.
I like the place. I like the place. It's a good one. It's a good
so
one.
just take it from here.
I will sell it for me.
What?
Are you going to give it to me? Sow a seed into my life with this land.
So you want me to give it to you for free?
No, sow it as a seed of faith.
Uche, listen. Something I've been meaning to discuss with you.
Oh, okay.
It's about marriage.
What about marriage?
Your marriage, Uche. You and I got married, well, about the same time. I've got 2 kids, expecting the 3rd one. But then your wife keeps miscarrying. Look, this is not coming from a bad place. I'm just concerned. You know, have you given this a thought? Have you tried to find out, you know, what the problem is exactly?
Ike, my wife and I have no problem at all. You know, I believe that in God's appointed time, He will give us children of our own. Not just a child, but children.
I'm just concerned.
Thanks for your concern, man.
No problem.
I appreciate it.
Let's go.
Fide, my Fide, you know, say now only you be the Cardi B I get for this house. If you come out for this house, I go just die, yo. If you don't stay, you no work again. Me, I will kill myself. I go just die and run away.
Friday, me come out for this house. No be juju be that. Ha! I no dey go anywhere. Oh. I have full ground. I dey here gidigba. Wait, oh, it is easy to get that kind madam for life. I know they go anywhere. I full ground, no leave, no transfer.
My Fide, I know say you don't arrange something. I know say you don't tumble the kitchen as usual. I beg make you go check whether the food done.
Hey.
Make I sharply return to my office. Sharply.
Hey, you I know that way from come before you no see food chop. Ha! You too like food.
No, they talk to me like that, though. Now because of the kind love what I get for you, now make me they comport myself like this. Normally, if you get person who tell me this thing, I don't provoke. I'm angry already.
I did tell you.
But make I go back to my office before Madam Oga come catch me for you.
Right.
Don't forget to carry and come.
Right.
Load down. Overload down.
Hey.
You see, package jam. My Fide.
Right.
Oke moji makamo we me asise meneme. Oke moji makamo we me asise meneme. Una ugo ite lobu mo. Una ugo ite lobu mo. Ebanyeremo, on the way to Team Novi. Ebanyeremo, on the way to Team Novi. Okay, Mati Magamo, we may ask the men. Una ugo ite love. Lord, restore the joy in my home, restore the happiness in my home, Lord. Answer me, Lord, answer me, Lord. Sam, Chineke na Samu. Onye kere n'igwe n'ụwa Samu. Ọnwụnwa juru n'ụzọ m niile Samu. Ọ bụ n'ịza Igbo onye ga-aza m Chukwu mee. Zam, Chineke na Samu. Onye kere n'igwe n'ụwa Samu. make me happy again. But I want to be happy again. I'm tired of this midnight tears. In the name of Jesus.
Oh, good morning, honey.
What are you doing?
Making breakfast for you. Hope you slept well. Then as much as I know, you never had enough time to sleep. Yeah. Sit. Yeah.
He's doing all this just to make me happy.
You surprised me.
Don't worry. It's my duty to make you your breakfasts. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Oh.
Really?
Yeah. Because I'm the best husband.
Indeed.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So let me fix mine. Go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Fidelia, how many times have I told you to always keep your phone on so I can get you whenever I need your attention?
Auntie, I dey charge my phone well oh. Now Friday they always use my phone, they play music.
Fidelistic. Madam, good afternoon.
Good morning.
Fidelia, that's why you tell the report person. Eh? You never tell me, see if I use your phone, they play music, see the battery go die. You say you tell me. I know they use the battery now. Not only the music I want. I will go ahead with the music, leave the battery for you. Eh? You don't tell me. I beg, madam, no vex. No vex. Now the music, if Fidelia here, put for her phone. Now they make me the craze. They dance. They mad like say tomorrow no day. Madam, if you hear the music here, only you go follow me, they dance.
Friday, will you just keep short and get back to your duty post now?
Sorry, madam. I know they try make I demonstrate the song for you. If you see song,
Friday, Friday.
Madam.
I won't repeat myself again. Get back to your duty post immediately.
Madam, the matter serious. Sorry, no verse, I beg. I no go.
Shut up and get back to your duty post.
Thank you, madam. Sorry, everybody.
Madam, what is so funny? Now listen to me. The next time I try to get you on phone and your phone is turned off, I will collect that phone from you. I bought the phone, so I would take it back. We have steady lights in the house. Why would your phone be turned off?
Madam, sorry, no go happen again. Friday no go see my phone again.
Friday will not see your phone again. Please just get back to your duty post.
Thank you, Auntie.
Fidelia, is that the road to your duty post? Eh? How can I get a combination of this and that? Madam Kamsi.
How are you? Are you still in the house?
You traveled to the village. I thought we were supposed to meet up today. Alright, it's okay. Just let me know when you get back. Hmm? Okay. Take care of you. Rita. Yes.
Hey, Kamsi. How are you?
I'm fine.
I see you can't remember me again.
Sorry, please remind me.
I'm Uzona, that Ben's friend.
Oh, Ben's friend?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Take care of yourself.
Oh, Ben really messed up. Oh. This Swiss girl would have been his wife by now. Wow. Ben, imagine, she can't even recognize me when she saw me.
That one that likes pretending. Have you forgotten? She's full of pretense now. Maybe she's trying to film on that boy now. So leave that one.
But Ben, you're missing something, no? That would have been yours if you had not.
If I had not done what? Also, come on, why do you always like blaming me in every little thing? It's just me like I'm jigging up. Okay.
Wait, are you angry? I'm telling you the truth. I don't understand.
Uzo, truth? What truth? What truth are you talking about? See, Uzo, I am not regretting anything at all. I'm not regretting anything. After all, I tried to make amends, but she wouldn't let me. Is it my fault?
Amend of what? You just told me now you did nothing.
Uzo, like as I am. Don't get me upset. Are you hearing me? Don't get me upset, oh. She's married, right? No problem. Let her conceive. Let me see. Let her conceive. Let her bear children in that houseman's house.
It just sounded as if you know the reason behind her childlessness.
Uzo, is that why you stopped me? Eh? Don't you ever stop me again.
Man, calm
For
down.
this, don't you ever stop me again.
What's wrong with this man?
Don't you ever stop me.
Why are you angry now? Ben! I'm waiting for you here. Better come back here. Oh. I know me nothing they do you. See this one, no. My brother may get a mega one there.
My love, we should be grateful to God for yet giving us another opportunity.
Yes, but I am scared this one might disappoint me like the other ones do.
Honey, where is your faith? Have you lost your faith? As for me, I have a strong faith in God. This one has come to stay. 7 months from now, we shall be called Mommy and Daddy. Nenwa na Nanwa.
Is it even not better I don't get pregnant at all than getting pregnant every time it will be disappointing me like this? I don't know.
Honey, can't you just sound positive for once? Couldn't you just sound positive for once? Just tell me, are you our God?
You will not understand.
Honey, I perfectly understand. I am your husband. Now come on, put a smile on this face. Put a smile on this face. Put a smile on this face.
Hey! Honey, you're the best husband in the whole wide world.
And you can see that over and over and over and over and over and over and over again.
Hey, thank you so much. Thank you.
I can see someone is happy again.
Yes, I am. You've lightened up my heart once more.
And that is why I am your husband, and that is why I'll keep doing this.
Thank you.
So, it's time to go to bed. Shall we?
Sure. Let's go. Let's go, 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 let's go.
Oh my God.
Jump into my back, let me carry you.
You really want that?
Hey, look at you, look at you. Jump, 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 jump. Yeah. Let's
oh
go.
My God.
Mama, what happened? I thought I arranged this. I think we are good. Give me a high five. Mama, that's my boy. Yes.
Are you coming with us?
Okay. No, mommy is not coming with you.
Mom, please come with us.
Okay, Gina, you know what we'll do? I'll come pick you up from school myself. Is that okay? All right. So, let's get...
Yeah, very cool.
Who's that?
I didn't check.
Oh, let's come see.
Oh, okay.
Hi, babes.
You're ready to go.
Wow! Oh my goodness, this is good news. Are you serious? Listen, not to worry. Everything will be fine. You won't lose this one again, okay? All I need you to do is... In fact, don't worry. I am coming to your house this afternoon. Oh my God, this is good. I'll call you later, okay? All right, bye. Oh, this is so good. Okay, run along so you don't run late. And be a good boy at school. Your teacher complained that you were always talking in class. Be quiet today, okay? Hey, I don't talk too much, and you know that. I know that. Mama, bye.
Sweetheart, you have one, miss you.
Have a nice day. No! Close the gate. Goat. Bye.
You are the miracle worker, the Lord who answers when I call. You are the miracle worker. Onye Chineke mo, Ibo miruku, gị onye na-aza mgbe mkpụrụ gị, Ibo miruku. Onye nwe Chineke, Ibo miruku, gị onye na-aza mgbe mkpụrụ gị, Ibo miruku. Onye nwe Chineke mo.
Ay!
God, no thinking. Ay! God, no. Oh my tumio. Jesus. No thinking, Leah. Ay. Ay. I need to go myself. Not again.
It was a shocker to me, my love. You wouldn't believe it. I was angry yesterday that he forgot my birthday. I didn't know my darling husband had his own plans.
Oh my God, this is beautiful.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Yes.
No, I'm happy for you.
God. It was a shocker to me. I couldn't even believe it myself. And the baby is smooth. I had a pleasurable ride in this baby yesterday. It is so.
Oh my God.